Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Eddie Altman, your PBIA instructor. Today I'm going to teach you frozen rail shots. How to play position when the cue ball and your object ball are frozen on that rail. This shot comes up very often when playing 8-ball, 9-ball, even straight pull. Alright, here we are at the table. We're playing 8-ball. I have stripes, I have 2 balls left, and then the 8-ball to win this game. My opponent has 4 balls on the table, the solids. I need to control this cue ball after I sink that 15 ball, get to the other end of the table so I have good position on my 10 and then ultimately my 8. Now there's some people out there that would tell you to do an extreme draw into the rail. Most people won't be able to do that. This is a much easier way to control the cue ball to the other end of the table. We're just going to use a high follow at a medium to hard speed. Now that's a much easier shot than trying to do an extreme draw into the short rail to get position down here. Now I have a relatively easy shot on the 10 ball. Gave myself great position, obviously a super easy shot on the 8-ball. All right, here's another great shot to learn. We're on the long rail. We have object ball left, obviously, the 6-ball, and then we have the 8-ball here. How to get position on that 8-ball to win this game. Most people, this is again, cue ball's dead to the rail, so is my object ball, the solid ball, which is my 6-ball. If I go ahead and just do a stun shot, that's where I'm going to be. I have extremely difficult cut shot and the possibility of scratching into that far corner pocket if we go ahead and do that. And use low left English. I'm going to basically draw the ball away from the rail. And that's perfect position. Now I have an extremely easy shot on that 8-ball. And remember, don't take your shots for granted. Take your time, aim. There's no reason to scratch on a shot like that. And you will see people do that because they get so anxious when they see an easy shot. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be many more to come. Please, if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see others, leave comments below. I'd love to hear from you and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Also, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Again, thank you and see you real soon.